they come plenty like this. Go chatter them. Okay, oh. They put inside a mokusi. Zama! They don't use this one.
They don't use this one.
Yes.
Let me check this one now. Those guys ain't well.
My son! My son, they have used this one also.
Jesus!
My son, they have used this one too.
So they don't use this one too?
I know why you ask. Now because now your pastor wife pants, abi?
How you take note?
Now the church usher now use them.
Okay, now since they don't use all this one, Maka find another one. Because me, I go follow make this money through bank.
Come, make I advise you. I hope say no be your mama and your sister pants you won't go carry come. Better no try and they don't use them more.
They don't use my mama and my sister pants. Who use them?
Your neighbor.
My neighbor.
What?
Oh my God.
Thank you for watching that Funny Love Nation entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday, see you on Friday too. Please, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's free for you to subscribe. It's just free. Click and subscribe and God will bless you. And book us for any kind of event with the number shown on your screen. If you want to advertise any business, call us with that number. And just subscribe. Bye-bye.